Hi, this is Steve from the UK with another update for you on my lead gen secret, because this is absolutely awesome. What a great little business opportunity this has turned out to be, and it's just $30. And for a $30 business opportunity, today it's day 60, and as you can see on the screen, I've earned $9,530 so far. And in fact, we're right at the very start of day 60 as I'm recording this, so in fact this is 59 days earnings, and the money just keeps coming in, and of course there are recurring commissions here too. So today I wanted to give you a quick update, and I thought I'd start with the money today, but for anybody who's not seen this before, this is a fantastic opportunity. All you have here is a system that generates leads for you that can also make you money as well. Now, I'm not going to go into too much detail about this today, because if you've not seen this before, I'll put a link below this video where you can go and watch my day 30 video, and that gives you a lot more details about everything about how the system works. But in short, what happens is that when you join my lead gen secret for $30, you're going to spend a $30 one-time admin fee and then $30 a month to get this system. And then what happens is you've got a mailing platform here where you can mail and promote any product or service that you wish. Now, the great thing here is that the leads that are in the system are actually converting into sales of the system itself. But what that takes is consistency. Now, when you first get started, you get 100 leads a day. As soon as you've referred just one person to this system, you start to get 200 leads per day. So with 200 leads per day, that's 6,000 leads per month coming in, and those accumulate. So after month 2, you'll be able to send an email to 12,000 people. Now, I've actually just sent an email today, so I'm going to pop that on the screen, and you can actually see right down the bottom here. Let me just zoom down to that. I'm sending it to 11,900 people. That's, as I say, I'm on day 59 today, just coming into day 60, which is why I've not quite hit the 12,000 yet. I had 100 leads the first day, and then obviously 200 leads a day ever since. So let me just open that email that I've just sent prior to opening up this video stream, and you can see it's a very straightforward, very simple message that I'm sending out saying, look, I've earned $9,530. And what you do is you're able to put tracking links in these links that are going through to the platform, and that's what I'm doing, and I'm going to show you that now to just prove to you, and these leads in the system themselves are converting into sales of the system. And I can do that by coming over to the affiliates link here, and then I can click on downline, and here you'll see my all-time members. Now, quite a few people are showing as affiliates now. What does that mean? Well, that's the quitters. That's the people who've given in so far. No surprise there, that always happens. But you can see I've got 808 active in the total team. 127 of those are personals. Let's just take a look at the month, just to give you a feel for the last 30 days. So I've referred personally 45 people in the last 30 days. And when I click on this link, it'll open up these actual people that have joined the system in the last 30 days that I've personally referred. Now, I'm blurring out the names for privacy reasons, but as you can see here, a person called Jeff, has got a tracking of my lead gen secret 2106. In other words, that's my tracking link I added into the email that I sent out from my lead gen secret on the 21st of June, and this person here, Jeff, has signed up. So that's one in the last 30 days from the system. Here's another. This is Pamela from an email I sent on the 8th of June. Now, you can see what happens here is that obviously time goes on and people join a little bit later. So that's 2 we've got there. Here's 3, one from an email I sent on the 3rd of June. Let's just make sure I haven't missed any. That's 1, 2, 3. Oh, actually, there's another one here that I've missed. Charles, so joined on from the email I sent on the 14th. So I've got 4 people who've joined as a result of the emails sent out from the system alone. All of the others are from my other marketing, things that I do like YouTube videos, and you can see where I've got YT here. They mean these were YouTube videos. These are from one of my mailing lists. This is from a Facebook post that I did on the 20th of June. This is one where I actually was talking to somebody and sent them the link. So That's the way I do this, and you can see that it works. But what it takes is consistency. It takes consistency of mailing from the system. But realistically, if you want to have phenomenal success with every or any business opportunity, the big secret is to market and promote your link everywhere. Anywhere that you can. Share multiple times per day on Facebook. Do a YouTube video. Share my YouTube video with your link on your YouTube channel. That's fine as well. And there's a link below this video that allows you to go and grab that video for yourself. It's perfectly okay to do that. So there's a very quick overview. As I say, that's phenomenal results from a little $30 opportunity. If you've not watched my 30-day video, you can click the link below and see that. Or just get started again via the link below this page. So take action with this. It really is a great little system. It does work, but it takes consistency, and just don't quit. Just keep going, and this will work for you. So hopefully you found this useful. Thanks very much for watching. This has been my day 60 update of my lead gen secret.